Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsync contact on TikTok application. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's just open up our TikTok application. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile, okay, and go to the TikTok setting. Click on the three lines on the top right. And here you have to select settings and privacy. Okay, and the settings and privacy, you have to go to the privacy right here. Okay, and here you can select suggest your account to others. All right, and if you want to unsync your contacts on TikTok, you just need to turn up the contacts like this. Okay, and after you turn off this contact feature, your account won't be suggested to your contacts and vice versa. Alright guys, and that's how we can unsync contact on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.